Yo, what's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Bliss by Tyla. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Yo, real quick, if you'd like to donate to the channel, I have my Cash App and my Venmo up on the screen right now. Anything helps, and I appreciate everyone that's donated to the channel so far. Anyways, now back to the tutorial. Here's an example of what it's going to sound like. Take me out my mind, oh, 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 oh. Take me out my mind, oh, 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 oh. You take me to bliss. Never felt a love like this. Never found it, never found it. You take me to bliss. Never found a love like this. Never found it, never found it. As you can see, I have a capo on the first fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You only need to know 3 chords for the entire song. Those 3 chords are A minor 7, C major 7, and D minor 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is A minor 7, so we're putting our fingers on the first fret of the B string and the second fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is C major 7, and you can play it 2 different ways. I'll explain both ways here. So the first way we can play it is we're going to put our fingers on the second fret of the D and the third fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. The second way you can play it is you can bar the third fret and put your fingers on the 4th fret of the G string and the 5th fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, so it's really up to your preference. Both of them will work. And the last chord is B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret and we're going to put our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. So those are the chords you need to know, and it's going to be exactly in that order. And if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the A minor 7 and the C major 7 gets 1 4 count, and the B minor 7 gets 2 4 counts. Now, as far as the strumming pattern goes, here's an example of what you can do. So we can go down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Alright, but like I always say, you're the creator, so whatever vibe you want to go for, if you have another way you want to strum it, or if you want to pluck the strings, by all means go ahead and do that. But that's how you play the song. As always, guys, I really appreciate you tapping into this video. I hope that this tutorial helped you out. If you have any questions or comments about it, go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer any question that comes up. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. While I have your attention, I'd like to invite you to follow my other social media pages. I have TikTok and Instagram, and I have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and check that out. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check that one out as well, and I'll see you guys on the next one.